Welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car channel. Today we are cleaning the carburetor, just a real quick video, so join me in the adventure. Alright, so we have our carburetor off here, and I just kind of wanted to show the condition underneath. I want to just spray some carb cleaner all in here, maybe get a brush on some of this and just try to get this all cleaned up real well. It's just had years worth of gas and dirt and exhaust blown on it here, and so it's time to get it all cleaned up as best as I can, and we'll go from there. So there it is. I think we'll be okay. We just need to get nice and clean before we dig into it and see why we're flooding out so bad. Look at all that. It's coming off of there. This needs a little TLC. Probably won't run right because it needs all this dirt on there. But just trying to get a fresh start. So there it is. It's all clean. At least a good attempt to. It looks a lot better. And what I found was that as I cleaned and I thought I was done, I'd find about 15 more spots that need to be cleaned, even as I flipped it over and looked at it here after I thought I was done. I keep finding little spots, but well enough is good, and we're going to go with it and take the top half off and see what we can get into. Well, that about does it for cleaning the carburetor today. It's time for supper. I appreciate you all watching. Y'all take care.